How to import products from Etsy to Squarespace. So in order to make that happen, you first need to head over right here into your Squarespace homepage. Once you have created your online store, you just need to head over and import your Etsy products to sell the same items on your website. Head over right here to the products and services. Head over to the products. And then after that, you should be able to see this. You can click on this import, and you having here this option to import from Etsy, Shopify, as well as BigCartel. For this case, let's choose in here Etsy. Click onto this Get Started in order to log in into your store. Make sure to choose in here the store that will display the imported products from Etsy. I have in here my store. Click on the Start Import. After that, this will initiate the Etsy option wherein you will be redirected to Etsy in order to access your actual account from there. If you have your access blocked, you can head over to a new tab and make sure that you're logged in into your Etsy from this. As you can see, the sign in is blocked because I'm not currently signed in. So what you can do is you can just proceed to sign in into your Etsy. Then once you have successfully signed in, you should be able to add your Etsy products directly into your actual store and import them all together. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.